And welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to read waiting messages in WhatsApp. So if you are getting this error waiting for this message, this may take a while. I will show you how to get rid of this. So first of all, you just have to make sure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp application. Open the Play Store and search for the WhatsApp, and just make sure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. If there is any update, just make sure to update it to the latest version. After updating, tap on this open. Now why you are facing this problem? There might be a thing you are using the old version of WhatsApp, or you just recently uninstalled the WhatsApp application. So let's say you just install your WhatsApp application, and the person who sends you message, whenever he will turn on his data, you will get the messages back. So there is no need to worry. So now let's say you want to read the message, you just have to tell that person to turn on his data and you will get the messages back. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.